Fitted a sausage, Your Majesty.
I should have two of those.
In fact, if that fitted a sausage.
I think one's just fallen out.
Well, as they always say, Your Majesty, here today, gone tomorrow.
Oh, really? Those jokes have to go.
They do, eventually.
Absolutely all.
You want me to pick
Still
it
got
up?
about 5 years use on them.
Plague ridden man. Plague.
I've heard she's absolutely diabolical and snores like an absolute pig.
Rat-infested man.
Apparently this woman, sire,
Yes.
Plague. Plague.
snores interminably at night, keeping Igor awake. She has done nothing but moan about it. Sir!
Blackguard there.
Sir, you blackguard!
Rat-infested man.
We will sort this once and for all.
I'm
Sir,
looking.
come here, please.
Yes, he is.
Now, in front of His Majesty,
Yes.
this woman
Yeah.
says this man snores.
No, that one. That
Which one?
That blackguard there.
I do snore.
Which one? That one there? You go away, we don't want you. You, come here, come on,
It's a case of misinformation.
come on. We will sort this out. Where's she
Come
gone?
on.
There, right.
She says that you are the one who snored.
We have been told
Maybe we should have
I do not know. I am a lady.
There is only one way to sort this out, and
Sire,
that is,
snoring
of course, kill the
competition.
wife.
if we kill the wife, then we will know. Because if the snoring stops,
But I'm not his wife.
he might well want us to kill the wife
He
then.
might want to kill the wife. Yes, kill his wife.
Well, of course, if we kill her and the snoring persists, well, it doesn't matter, it won't disturb her anyway.
Disturb her anyway, problem solved.
If we kill her and the noise stops completely, well, she was the snorer and was guilty.
Yes, so I see win-win.
It's a win-win situation.
Win-win
Kill
for
them both,
everyone.
Master.
If
Fair.
you kill her and the snoring continues, then
Yes.
I've been possessed by
By the spirit of her. Oh, you
The
evil
only
witch.
wise man in Wales.
She's a witch. We
The
should-
only wise man in
should
Wales. They
burn
did say
her.
there was one. I didn't know we'd find him
She's
today.
not a witch, she's a snorer.
She's a snorer.
So,
Well, she looks like a snorer.
by royal appointment, sir, you have the King's permission to do away with this woman in any way you see fit.
Yes, absolutely.
All we ask is, are there any spare body parts you'd like from this lady?
Yes,
Keep it clean.
I wouldn't mind another ear.
Another ear.
Other ear.
Which side?
This one.
That's the only condition. You may kill this woman,
Thank you.
but you must turn in to us by dawn tomorrow morning, her left ear, whilst it is still fresh.
I do it this very evening, Master, while she's sleeping.
What a good idea. If you can get close enough for the snoring, of
Yes,
course.
of
Yes.
course.
Okay.
I should have to do one of those.
As he hasn't got his ear.
I think it's more than fair.
More than fair.
If he's
make
after
more
an
than-
ear,
No, you've had your say.
He
Now
won't
go
be able
away.
to
Go
hear
away.
it.
You've had your say.
You've had
Go
your say.
away.
Court is not in session anymore. I'm
No,
terribly sorry
we've had
about
our
that.
say. Judge George has spoken. Off you go.
But I'm rather rich.
Ah,
So,
And you are short of some
right,
money,
I'm
sir.
short of money.
yes.
I'm terribly sorry, you're going to have to die.
Yes,
we can't have snorers.
No, he's definitely a snorer.
Yes, he's going to have to go.
Well,
How much? How much?
Push me, Master.
Does it cost to get rid of, well, how much for a bumping off?
well, I think we need at least a frigate out of it.
Yes, frigate.
We need to frigate the Navy, madam.
Frigate the Navy.
Okay, I can do that.
You
sir.
can frigate the Navy.
I can
Absolutely
frigate the
marvellous.
Navy.
Frigate the Navy.
I can frigate the
We'll
Navy.
make an appointment forthwith. If
I'm a
not
good
this.
Navy woman. I come from a family of Navy.
Disgust me.
Personnel, even.
Yes.
Right, before dawn, madam, you may bump off, said man.
And you want his ear?
On the proviso, his left ear is presented to Igor before dawn tomorrow.
Okay, I can do that, sir.
You are welcome. Now go.
Thank you. I'm terribly sorry
Go.
about your impending death, sir. It started off so well for you.
Yes, time learned that a woman always wins.
Yes,
Go away.
and sometimes money.
I think
There
we
are.
must move on.
Must move on. We must move on.
Igor, you're going to get his left ear.
The ice cream eating.
it won't do you any good.
Go away.
There you go, child. Let you have your share.
Fed them ice.
I will just eat your ice cream. I'll buy it on the pretext
Eagle's
it's
scared.
for this
Scared to do
grandchild
something.
of mine. You can't shoot with a sword.
Yes, no, you can't.
No, you have to have a
Yeah,
gun.
that's a special kind of sword. Then. Oh, look, photo opportunity, everyone.
Photo. Oh, Igor. Sorry, we're not doing an emergency call. There, thank you. Thank you,
We
Kingy.
love a photograph. Yeah.
We've had so many. And photographs
We
as
will
well.
bill you.
Yes.
So, marvellous.
Right.
Aren't we doing the,
I think so.
I think we're meeting at 3, aren't we? So
I think we are.
It's over here.
Where are we? With the Fakawi. Another very small tribe. The Fakawi.